In this video, I will show you how to create an account on Citizen app. So download Citizen app from Play Store or App Store and then open it. When you download it, then click Get Started. And right now you have to enter your phone number or you sign in or sign up with your Google. For me, I would choose my Google account. I will just choose it. And here click agree and share. And right now it's going to take you to this page. Here is my email and here is my username. Click continue and click allow location. Click continue. Click only this time, for example. Continue. And I will click right now start for free. And then you have to add your redeem code or your credit or debit card or your PayPal or ask someone else to pay. And that's all, guys. You will create your account. For me, I don't want, click skip. And that's all, guys. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and